Alright, everybody, welcome back to another model car. As you know, when I build a model car, I show it to you. And if I show you the model car, you know it's probably done. So what are we looking at today? We're looking at a blue base. But it's not the blue base that we're talking about. We're looking at the box on top of the blue base. The box shows that it's a AMT 1967 Shelby GT-350. Kind of a Mustang Dia thingy here. Ain't this a cool car? Well, the illustration on the box is really cool. This is an old AMT kit. This kit is awesome. I can't say enough about this kit being so freaking cool. I love the box. Love the image on the box. Love the side image on the box. Love the little images on the side of the box. Hey, this is really cool. I like this box. Hey, if you like this box, you should see what else it comes with. It comes with a little box. As you may or may not know, some of the AMT kits come with a little mini box you put together. So when you like the box, you can display it with your car. But we're not talking about the box anymore. Let's talk about the model car which I built. So in 3, a 2, a 1. And a 1, a 2, a 3. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. You know, why am I spinning the camera around? It's on a turntable. So take a look at this bad boy. Soak that in there for a second. I just want to say, the back end of these Shelbys, I really love these back ends, the lights like that. That is really cool. Alright, so let's talk about this model car. Like I said before, this model car, oh, and little mini box. This model car is really, really cool. I've built this one a few times before. This is the first one I've shown on my channel. This kit is just great. So, this one here, I painted it Tamiya bright red. I used the white stripe decals. It also comes with silver striping decals. The thing I don't like about the striping decals is they come next to each other on the decal sheet, but each stripe is separate. I started with the roof and I worked my way down, so if you actually look at it, the striping is not 100%, but I did my best. It looks really good. So if that was all one decal for it, that would have been really cool. Another thing I don't like about the decal is the hood. When you open up the hood here, there's a lot of fold over on it, because technically you're supposed to put them on the upper piece here with the vents, but I had already had that painted and I didn't want to go through the cutting of it. And yeah, so we just left it. Decals getting around the air vents there were a little difficult there. You use the micro sol red bottle decal solution. I don't know what's in it, but it's awesome. Anyways, so like I said, Tamiya bright red. Used a little black wash to put in there. Painted the grills black. The headlights going from behind the thing. Now there was a lot of flash on this kit, so a lot of my bumpers didn't quite line up properly. I got a little mark right there. I'm going to do a little touch up there. Didn't even see that. But yeah, there was a lot of flash and a lot of sanding, and probably could have done a little more. I think I was doing more damage than it was worth. You can see on the back too, there's a little bit. It kind of fell apart there. Alright. Interior, black and white. With a little red stripe on the door. Can barely see it. Dashboard, black and silver. Brown for the wood grain steering wheel. Silver chrome trim, nicely painted. Let me show you underneath here. Underneath, beautifully done. There it goes, now it focuses. Like I said, a lot of flash, so I was working with a lot of flash issues. Engine's beautiful. I love these wheels. See if I can focus here real quick. Yeah, those wheels are nice. So you just do a black in them, and then I did red for the cover piece there. It's really cool. Engine, beautiful little engine. If we open up the hood actually comes right off. I painted it blue. Silvers. My interstate battery. My yellow fan, because I always do yellow fans on my cars. I guess you could always say that's a signature shop piece there. Everything goes together really, really well on this kit. I can't give any bad remarks on this kit other than the fact that mine has had a bit of flash on it. It's going to be a basic review of the AMT kit here. 67 Shelby 350. Because I just don't have anything bad. The decals went on real nice. The car went together pretty well, very well. I did this one in about a week. So, just letting you soak it in there. So I'll bring this up here. And it's sturdy too. I mean, there's no pieces falling off of it. Some of the old AMT kits. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, aliens from all around the galaxy, here is my AMT 67 GT-350. Highly recommend it. Get yourself a couple. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. Appreciate you subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Always leave a like or a dislike. I don't mind if you hit the dislike button. I can't force you to hit the like button. But, yeah. So, appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate everybody out there. Appreciate all my subscribers. Appreciate you stopping by. Get yourself one of these kits, would you? Alright everybody. Have fun.